Hey everybody, this is Conservation Blueprint coming to you from the field today where we are doing a prairie restoration project. Really cool. Let me show you what we're talking about. Inside our drill, we have a really cool mix of wildflower seeds that came from Conservation Blueprint. We have a mix in here that is 61 different species of wildflowers and native cool season and warm season grasses. And this project is so cool because this landowner is taking an area that looked exactly like that. Solid grass, invasive cool season, Kentucky bluegrass and cheatgrass, and they're turning it into a native prairie. And they did it following what we think is the greatest site prep that you can do. We call it the gold plan. They actually took an area and planted it to soybeans for one full growing season as site prep. Let me get down off of the drill here and show you what it looks like. Last year, this area was solid grass out here, and now we have converted it into a perfect prairie restoration site by clearing up all the grasses, removing the weeds, putting some nitrogen into the soil for our planting, and we're planting it with our no-till drill today. Native, local, ecotype wildflower seeds back onto the ground and in a beautiful little picturesque project right outside of that house. What a great way to go.